Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Yesterday I told you about the swift cut features, sketch profile, circular profile and solid profile. Okay, so today we will learn using swept cut by guide curve. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, for swept cut we will make a profile, path and guide curve. Okay, so let's create the first of all profile. Create a simple sketch for the profile, simple circle. Okay, this is the profile. Now we will create separate sketch for the path. This is my path. It is also created. Now we will create a separate sketch for the guide curve. Okay, this is our guide curve. Okay, now we can use the swept cut command by using guide curves. Okay, click on features, then click on swept cut, then click on profile, then select the path, go into guide curves, select the guide curve. Okay, superb. Click on OK. A separate feature is done by using guide curves, as you can see. Okay, just like this we can use the shortcut feature by using guide curves. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.